This is the plus sign. It means we join things together. A number bigger, like 2 plus 2 equals 4.
This is number 1.
Another one comes to join. Let's add them together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 and 1.
What is 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
This is number 1. Number 5 comes to join. Let's add them together. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 and 3. What is 2 plus 3? Think. 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is number 2. Number 5 comes to join. 2 plus 5 equals 7. This is number 2.
Number 7 comes to join. Let's add them together. 2 plus 7 equals 9.
This is number 4. Another 4 comes to join. Let's add them together. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 and 3. What is 4 plus 3? Think. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 6 and 2. What is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 equals 8. This is number 1.
Number 3 comes to join.
Let's add them together. 1 plus 3 equals 4. This is number 1.
Number 7 comes to join. Let's add them together. 1 plus 7 equals 8.
This is number 1.
Number 9 comes to join. Let's add them together.
1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 and 10. What is 2 plus 10? Think. 2 plus 10 equals 12. This is number 3.
Number 7 comes to join.
Let's add them together. 3 plus 7 equals 10. This is number 3.
Number 9 comes to join. Let's add them together.
3 plus 9 equals 12.
This is number 11. Another 11 comes to join. Let's add them together.
11 plus 11 equals 22. 15 and 5. What is 15 plus 5? Think. 15 plus 5 equals 20. This is number 2. Another 2 comes to join. 2 plus 2 equals 4. This is number 3.
Another 3 comes to join. Let's add them together.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
3 and 4. What is 3 plus 4? Think. 3 plus 4 equals 7.
This is number 8. Number 9 comes to join. Let's add them together. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 12 and 3. What is 12 plus 3? Think. 12 plus 3 equals 15. This is number 50. Another 50 comes to join. Let's add them together. 50 plus 50 equals 100. 5 and 2. What is 5 plus 2? Think. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 and 5. What is 3 plus 5? Think. 3 plus 5 equals 8. This is number 5. Another 5 comes to join. Let's add them together. 5 plus 5 equals 10. This is number 7 and...
Number 2 comes to join.
7 plus 2 equals 9. 8 and 1. What is 8 plus 1?
Think. 8 plus 1 equals 9.
9 and 1. What is it 9 plus 1? Think. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 and 3. What is 9 plus 3? Think. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 10 and 5. What is 10 plus 5? Think. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 4 and 2. What is 4 plus 2? Think. 4 plus 2 equals 6. This is number 4.
Number 9 comes to join.
Let's add them together. 12 and 15. What is 12 plus 15? Think. 12 plus 15 equals 27. This is number 5. Number 3 comes to join. 5 that's a cave. This is number 6. Number 3 comes to join. Let's add them together. 6 plus 3 equals 9. This is number 6, Bang.
Number 8 comes to join. Let's add them together.
6 plus 8 equals 14. This is number 7. Number 1 comes to join. Let's add them together. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 and 8. What is 7 plus 8? Think. 7 plus 8 equals 15.
This is number 4. Number 7 comes to join. Let's add them together. 4 plus 7 equals 11. This is number 5. Number 7 comes to join. Let's add them together. 5 plus 7 equals 12.
This is number 6.
Number 7 comes to join. Let's add them together. 6 plus 7 equals 13.
This is number 9. Number 6 comes to join. Let's add them together. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 11 and 6. What is 11 plus 6? Think. 11 plus 6 equals 17. This is number 5. Number 6 comes to join. Let's add them together. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 14 and 3. What is 14 plus 3? Think. 14 plus 3 equals 17. This is number 7.
Number 5 comes to join. 7 plus 5 equals 12.
This is number 8.
Number 3 comes to join. Let's add them together.
8 plus 3 equals 11. Great job! You learned how to add. Remember, plus means adding and making numbers bigger.
Now it's your turn. Let's try another one.
You're a math star. Keep learning.